Hello, we're back. Lucinda Swirl here. Stickii Club Advent Calendar time, number 22. Woo! See what day 22 holds in store. Oh boy, benefit from a background. This is Pocket Peaches. Pocket Peaches. Very cute. This seems to be seafaring critters of a sort. I like the puffer fish. Love that. Well, let's start with the treasure chest. Come on. Let's start with the treasure chest. Good heavens. This is the first time I've actually had trouble with any of these stickers. All right, maybe the other one will come off. Maybe they didn't cut these well. Oh my goodness. Did that. Wowee. Maybe the treasure chest doesn't want to come off. I'm just ripping it. That's not good. Does anybody want to come off of here? A little shrimp? Wow, we may not be able to do anything. So major surgery time. Wowee. Okay, there's no sticky there. This is very temporary, but it will get it on the cup for us. That's obnoxious. We've got one. I'm gonna call it. If that's the only problem we have out of all 25, then we're still in pretty good shape. So day 22, a little disappointing, but completed.